so we've got the drone on the landing pad. Sit still. All right, HS430 on the landing pad. The batteries are in, manual's in hand. We're gonna go ahead and just turn the drone on. And then get over to the English version. All right, so we are going to turn the controller on. And I should have this facing the opposite way. You want the camera facing away from you. So to set up and launch, you're gonna up and down. You're now connected. You want to calibrate this. Okay, so we're set. Connect the Wi-Fi. Calibrating the gyro is gonna be down and to the right. Now, you heard a beep. We are calibrated. Perfect. Unlocking the motors is going to be simple. It's going to be down and in. And now we're set there. One touch launch right here. And we are up and airborne. And as you, like I said, so we're good here, but you're going to have to control the drone yourself. It's not going to lock in place. I do have a breeze out here today, so there is some wind, but I'm fine with that. Let me go ahead and turn the speed up on it. Where is my speed? Wow, so this guy does not fight. Where is my speed? There's got to be a speed option on this. And oh, okay, low and high. There we go. So now we're in, okay, so guys, that was me. Now we're in high mode. So high mode, it is going to go ahead and fight the wind a little bit better. We're doing very good. And you can see it. This guy rips back and forth. And it's holding the entire time, guys. It's not like I'm not having to fight this. So this is very stable. I'm real happy with it. Like I said, that wind is going to carry it, but that high speed on it really does a number. There is a camera on the front of it. The camera is going to be manually adjusted by hand. See, this thing is great. I love this thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out here on the street real quick and take you guys with me. Hang on one second. Whoa, okay. Just so you guys can get a little bit of this flight in action. All right, and we got you here so you can see the drone. Perfect. And this is once again the HS430. And this is now, okay, so I put it in a high speed, so it's a little jerky. You see how quick and jerky it is, but it's really responsive. Flies really well. Wow, I am really impressed with this. For a small micro and outside, I mean, even with the wind, guys, like I said, you put a little bit, put it in high speed, and it does great. So, all right, let's go ahead and turn it down this way. And see if we can pick it up in the grass and fly it. See how far on the camera I can pick it up. So we're gonna just take it down here and turn around. We'll do I'll do a video with the camera work and what the kind of pictures it takes later. I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys the opportunity to actually see this in flight. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Do appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off and edit this video so I can get it posted on YouTube and do my part of what I promised I would handle. And I do appreciate you watching. I'll see the rest of you guys tomorrow at the wedding. Thank you very much. One moment. You know what? Just real quick. No, I hit the wrong button. So where's the switch on this? How do I turn it around? I want to switch this camera around, and now I can't find the button on it. Whoa, get away from the trash cans. Come on, turn the camera around. Oh, I did. I had the camera turned around. I wasn't looking at it. Funny, haha. So, guys, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and land this drone. Hang on one second. Love it. Love it, love it. This is just too cool for a little micro drone. Works great. And come on, there we go. Turn off. Wow, so yeah, it doesn't want to turn off in the hands, which is fine by me. So we just hit the auto land and it turns off. But yeah, a fan, definitely.